Another beautiful morning in Yankeetown. Got a solo guy today. Hopefully we can go get some snook and redfish. It's gonna make for an easy day having one guy on the boat, so hopefully we catch them. Stay tuned. We got a nice outgoing tide. Low tide is at 11 o'clock today. Here we go. Get ready to get a monster blow up. Have you ever caught a huge one on top water?
No, not on top.
All right, well just make sure you twitch fast and slow reel. You want that lure darting crazy. I love when a big old bucket mouth comes up out of the water. I had a couple crazy blow-ups yesterday. It was insane. Oh. I hate when my favorite spots don't get a fish. It's like, well, top water, you just never know where you're gonna get one. You just gotta keep casting until it happens. That big snook will come flying out of nowhere for it.
G3?
Oh, that's nice.
Was it G3? G3,
yeah. I think the big snook have gone offshore already. That's why I'm getting a lot less blow up. Oh, there he is. Got him. They get you excited. That tells you.
She kept coming back.
Tells you there's a lot of bait in here. Come on, snookies. I just hope all the big girls haven't left yet.
Said it.
Right when I said there should be a snook on that point.
Yep.
Maybe not. He's coming in easy now. Yeah, that's only a 27 incher. He's a little guy. Yeah, he might only be 26. Got the skunk off the boat.
There you go.
Little snooky.
Good way to start.
Well, fling it at that point. There's usually a school of snook on this spot. There he goes. You see the sheephead?
No, I just saw a nice red going out there. Yeah, I see the sheephead. That's a nice one.
Big old sheephead.
Yep. Doesn't want to go away. But this is my spot.
This is where the big girl's gonna come from, right here. I just hope they don't hear us already. It seems like a lot of fish are moving. What I like about topwater is it covers like the whole creek. 'Cause it's hard to bait fish in this shallow water. Oh, there's a big red right there. Look at him. See him? That's one we should have a mud minnow ready to feed him. He's sitting right there.
I see him.
That's about a 20, 23, 22.
Yeah.
Not a huge one, but if we start seeing a lot of those and not getting bites, I'm gonna switch the bait. Looks like a rock.
I think it is a rock. No, that's a fish. Oh.
It just came off?
Oh.
You're joking.
Oh.
See them? Those are 35 inches. There's 4 fish just sitting there. You didn't see them?
No.
Those are a big black drum. Where'd they go? Normally when you see a black drum, they don't go far. They'll circle back around and you can still catch them. Why aren't they tailing today? It's weird that they're just chilling there. Oh, damn it. There's another one. Look at them all.
I see him. God, he's huge.
Be quiet enough to see one. They were pretty much on the other side when we saw them tailing. Oh, one just ate my shrimp. Oh, he's got it. Oh, that's a monster drum. Get it right in there. I don't know how I missed. That was a giant. Did you see the swirl? He ate it. He ate it right on the surface. Why are we missing fish? All right. I lost the big one. You lost the big one. Now we're even. You threw your shrimp off.
Shrimp is gone.
Try to get him off of that. Reel down to him. There you go.
Damn, he's way out there. He's out there, man. He's like,
I haven't
what's
even.
going on?
I want to at least see him. See how big he is. That rod's a little stronger. Keep him out of the grass. Try to keep him up high. What I do is I put one finger on the reel when I lift, and then I reel down. So reel down, and then when you lift, it's one finger, but don't hold it. Let him run if he has to, because he's in the grass. That's dangerous. Definitely lose him in the grass.
And he's big. See him?
I barely saw him. This ain't a dark spot.
Come here, buddy. Big, man. Look at him.
Alright, start lifting him up. God.
He's like, what?
I'm gonna try to keep the net in the water. Bring him in. Get his head up here. Yeah, one under the boat. Alright, turn him one more time. I think we got him. Next turn. Try to get him to lay flat on the surface so I don't have to dive for him. Once he sees a net, he's saving up his energy till he sees us. And then he takes off. That's a Yankeetown Big Ugly. That's what this area is known for.
That's a trip maker right there, Justin. We can get him in.
That would be a good picture. We still got to find our redfish. That's a big fish.
He's going down.
Alright, that's perfect. Keep him up. Don't let him sink. Don't let him sink. There he is.
There you are. All right.
33 maybe.
Mighty big for me.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That's a beautiful fish.
Freaking toad. He was barely hooked. The hook just fell out. There's another big one. Let him run. That might be a red. I think you got a red.
Oh, the drag problems today.
Yeah, you had that thing loose. It's a baby one. It's not even a keeper.
Red.
Yeah, we got the right species finally. Little dink. Well, at least one of my guesses worked. Fishing these little holes worked better than what we were doing before.
That's a nice eater right there, buddy. That's the one we were trying to pin up.
Kept going. Yep, that's the one we came in here for. How many times am I gonna grab? Oh God. Holy.
See him?
It's loaded back here with redfish.
They were just sitting there, didn't even care.
They should have threw in a live mud minnow and just let them swim around, give them a natural bait. That's what I wanted you to see though, that it's not a waste of time to go up in these shallow spots, because they push themselves up into these little creeks. And once you see what you need to see, it could be game on with a live mud minnow like this. Pull you up there and let them swim. Big old giant red will gobble them up. But there was probably only 2 of them, and we probably just spooked both of them out of here. Look at that big stupid thing. Oh, there they go. They're gone.
You net?
I can flip them. I think he's a keeper though. He's gonna be right at 17 or 18. Not very big. Well, this island proves once again it's a decent spot. It's not a very big one. Tiny fish. But there's a bunch of them. That's more fun.
Yeah.
Activity.
And,
But you see,
they were fighting for it.
there's a bunch of little guys.
Yeah, they were fighting for it. They kept hitting. And then finally this guy decided he'd get on. It's all right.
But it's predictable. That was exactly what I was saying. There's more little guys out here. But you find a couple keepers and once you catch 10 of them. Alright, we're in the right spot now. It's about time something went my way. That's a big one too. Gotta keep a red for ya. That's a good one. First cast on it. About time something went the way I told you it was gonna go. Little 20-incher.
Little fatty.
Short and fat.
Short and fat. Good eater.
Alright, get in there. Cast to the left of the bar.
Okay.
He's almost 22 inches. He's not bad. That was a solid stick. Thank God.
Yeah.
Big redfish. Right before the storm. There we go. Told you we'd find one eventually. Alright. Right before the storm. 24-incher?
Haven't seen him yet, but feels nice.
That's a good 22, 23. Oh, don't hit the net. Where is he?
Oh, nice. Nice spot.
Good job. You got one.
Yep. Nice. That's a fat one, isn't it?
That's a good fish.
Yep.
And he spit the hook.
3 spots.
Spit the hook like he wasn't even hooked.
5 spots on him.
More than that. 2 and 4, I think. So 6 spots.
I'll take a picture of that one.
There we go. That's not even a big one, but that's a sand trout. That's a kind of a small one. They get up to like 17 inches, but there's no size limit on them. Well, this is always my waste the shrimp, keep the women and kids happy kind of spot. Throw it off the back and open the bail and let it drift, jig it and open the bail and let it go every 5 feet. So you kind of like pop it, open the bail, let it sink. You want to keep it off the bottom. God, I love when they eat it. That makes it a slam.
You guys are serious.
There you go.
Oh man, there it goes.
Oh, he fell off. I'm telling you that they finally get a trout.
Remains to be seen.
I think you got a trout. It's coming up easy. There you go, nice trout. Little short sea trout. Playing like a trout. There's a trout. Your first sand trout. Wish they're a little bigger.
You want this?
That's up to you. I'd like them to be a little longer.
Yeah. We'll let him grow up. You can catch him next time.
Oh, that was a big one. How did I miss that? I always try to pull it away from the little bites. There you go. Come on, no spots. Dang it, it's got spots.
Yeah. It's busy.
I keep losing the good ones. I think you got a decent trout on. Yeah, nice sea trout.
I'm into the spotted guy.
Yeah, we need the ones without the spots. I got a sand. You almost got a keeper one. Come on, be a sand. No spots. Oh, it is. Oh, it's spotted. Dang it. I started to hate when they're spotted because you can't keep them. All right. Come on, be a huge trout. Did you hook a gator trout? The only downfall of this boat, there's no room off the back. Do you eat mackerel?
No, I don't like them. You?
I don't really care. I hate cleaning them. Let's go. I'll take your rod.
Yeah, it's not a catch.
Another spotted. Yeah, bigger trout.
Feels good.
Oh yeah, he's on the surface out there. I see him. A little bit bigger sea trout. 14 and a quarter. Yeah, these are bigger. Big sand trout, nice. Oh, I went through the chair. Well, that's a good one to finish it with. How many shrimp? How many shrimp you got left?
Don't know.
You need water?
Yeah, please. Thanks.
Well, it's a boogie.
Sure.
Got lucky we didn't get rained on. Got a pile of trout. Gonna head in.